How to make a music playlist on YouTube on phone. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will guide you how you can make a playlist on YouTube on your Android. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch your YouTube application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now using the search bar at the top right corner, you have to search for your preferred music. Search for your preferred music, and once you found your music, tap on the three dot icon next to that music. Here, from this pop-up box is an option as Save to Playlist. Tap on it. Now if you already created a playlist, you could simply add the music in your playlist, but if you want to create a new music playlist, tap on plus new playlist at the bottom right corner. Now you can give a title to your playlist. Here I'll just type in music. There is a visibility drop down, tap on it, and here you can choose one from here, whether you want to set it to public, unlisted or private. For now, I'll just keep it private. And once you're done, tap on create. Now once the playlist has been created, again tap on the three dot icon next to that music, tap on save to playlist, and here you have your music. Tap on done, and with that the music will be added into your playlist that you have created recently. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.